Hey, what is up, guys? It's your boy Mo. Yeah, today we're gonna be doing our lab 8.42. Um, yeah, I'm just gonna solve the basic part of the lab, and you guys can do and follow all the requirements that's necessary. I'm just gonna give you the code body, the foundation of the code, basically. Yeah. All right, so write a Python program that asks the user to enter his or her name, the price of an item, and the discount percentage. The program will display a message to the user, the original price of the item, the calculated amount discounted, and the final price. So we have to include all of these, right? And our receipt should look something like this. So it will have uh, maybe our store name as the first line, and then on the second line we will have the programmer, which is our name, and then on the third line we will have the time and date, and then so on and so forth. So let's start. So for the first line, we're gonna have a title. It says Python 2024. We're gonna have our store's name as our title, so it's gonna be print. I'm coding on Replit. You guys can code wherever the hell you want to. So we're gonna go ahead print. We're gonna name our store whatever, Tommy's, I don't know, Tommy's store. On our second line, we're gonna go ahead and print the programmer, which is me. It's gonna be R. And then on the third line, we are going to print the time, which is 4-24-2024. My current time, comma. We can do at 11:38 p.m. and we can do our lab 8.42. Great. So let's try printing this and see what happens in our console here. All right, so we have Tommy's store as our first line, programmer, my name, and then we have some basic information on the date and time of when this receipt is being ran on. Now we're gonna jump into the process where we get input from the user and store it in our variable. So first things first, we have to ask the user for their name. So we're gonna use the input function for that. We're gonna ask the user for their name. What? So we're gonna ask what is your name. We're gonna put this in string literals because that's what we want the PC to say. And we're gonna store this answer from the user into a variable named name. All right, so right after this, we can ask for the price, right? The price of an item, so the original price. So we're gonna do a snake casing over here. We're gonna declare another variable called item price. And we're gonna have another input function which will say please enter the price of your item. So this input that we're gonna be getting in, right? We are gonna get a string input from this line 6. So in order for us to convert the string input, we have to convert it into a float or integer. So in our case, since the price can be a decimal number, we will convert the whole thing into a float. So we'll cast this, and then on the outside we'll write float. All right, so if we run this, it should ask us to give us our name. What is your name? We're gonna write Mo, and it's gonna say, please enter the price of your name, right? Now, the discount percentage. So we're gonna have to take the discount percentage next. So where's our program? All right, so everything runs perfectly so far. Up next, we're gonna take our discount percentage. So we're gonna create another variable, name discount percent PERC. Okay, discount percent equals float. We're gonna have our input function. Please enter discount percent. So if it's 20%, the user will enter 20. If it's 30%, the user will enter 30. Discount percent. So after the user enters the discount percent, the program should display this message. So it's gonna say David Chapman, here are the results. That's weird. Okay, I don't want it to say David Chapman, here's the results. That's kind of yeah, I'm not I'm not gonna let my program say that. I'm gonna say print. Right. So David Chapman, it's the name variable. So in our case, we're gonna write name, comma, what can we write over here? We're just gonna write here are the stats. Here are the final price. Here is the final price. We're gonna have some semicolons. All right, so print. All right, cool. So these are the result part. Now we're gonna have to do our calculation part, right? So we, my friends, are finding out um the price after the discount percentage have been applied. Yeah. So in our case, we have to convert our discount percentage into a decimal number because when the user enters the percentage, it's a whole number, which is a float integer. So, which is a float. In order for us to convert this into a decimal number, we can either do this or create a new variable. So to keep this simpler, we're gonna create a new variable named discount DISC decimal is equal to discount price divided by 100. So that is going to be in our discount decimal, right? So now what we have to do is we have to multiply our item price by our discount percentage in order to get the sale amount, right? So we can write uh discount percentage. We can write sale discount RDISC in dollars equal to item price times, well, item price times discount decimal. DIC decimal. So that's the discount in dollars. Now we have to subtract that. So we're gonna write final price equals item price minus discount in dollars, right? So that's going to be stored in our final price. So now, what will we need to print? So it's saying over here, it should display the original price of the item. So it should play the original, or we can just, yeah, print it like the way it is over here. Original price. Original price. It's going to be equal to item price. Oops. Item price. I'm not sure why we were getting an underline over here. Maybe we have to pass this through string. Oh, we spelled it wrong. Okay, never mind. ERNT. All right, let's see if this works so far. I don't want to keep coding if this doesn't run so far. Let's see if this runs. So far so good. It says Tommy's store. Oh, what is your name? I'm gonna write Kobe this time. Please enter the price of your items. We're gonna do 108. What is, okay, so we have an error over here. So it says Lee's where we want to say please. Please enter your discount amount. So we're gonna do 5% and then original price. Okay. So far so good. We're gonna keep coding over here for our next tasks. So our next line is gonna be print. Let's go back to our requirements. Original price. Discount price. Okay. Print the discount price. The discount price was, right, comma. I'm not sure. I forgot where we stored our discount price. So we have original price, discount price, discount percentage, discount in dollars. So we're gonna see out our, we're gonna output our discount dollars, discount dollars over here. And then we are going to see out the final price. We're gonna output the final price. So we're gonna write print the final price. The final price is and we can have space, comma, final price. What the hell? All right. No red lines, no red lines. Let's see if this runs. If this does not run, I'm just gonna have to kill myself tonight. All right, please don't report me. I'm not actually gonna kill myself. All right, anyway, we're gonna do 100. Oh shit. What is your name? We're gonna do anything. Mo. Enter the original price 100. The discount percentage, if we do 50%, the original price should be 50. This is perfect. Let's do it one more time. We're gonna do I don't know, Jeff. What is the original price? We're gonna do $10. We're gonna do 10%, so it should be 1 and 9. All right, perfect. This runs perfectly. Um, yeah, hopefully this helped. Fuck all of you guys. Bye.